Hi everyone, this is Sandeep Marwah. You can call me Sandy as well, and today I'm going to introduce you to the world of fashion and also talk about the 3 tips that we require to be a good director, a good designer, and of course a good fashion resource. First, to be a good fashion resource, definitely we need the product knowledge, we need the creativity, and we need people to be already involved in the world of fashion. Your understanding for clothes, your understanding for materials, your understanding for designing, colors, palettes should all be very natural to you. Second is, when we talk about being a good designer, is that you should have the sense and ability to understand your customer, your cuts. You should be able to do your production properly. You should be able to understand the basics of everything that you do regarding clothes and fabrics and how you play with them. Fashion direction, which is my forte, and after doing approximately my entire 15 years of career as a designer, as a stylist, as a fashion director, I would say that fashion director is the best job out of all, because you get to handle every aspect of designing. You get to handle every aspect of being a backstage person, a front stage person, with the ramp, without the ramp. You get to work with students like you guys, and we get to work with every personality possible, in the world of fashion and related to fashion as well. So fashion direction is an entire package, I would say, for being a good designer, for being a good person regarding material, clothes, and of course, regarding music and regarding ramp, regarding shows, and to understand the very natural and nature of exactly what you want to do with the world of fashion. I think these 3 tips can really keep you on. And if you practice these 3 tips, I'm sure that you guys can become fantastic future fashion directors of India and the world, of course. Thank you.